Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to schedule a post on Instagram from PC or laptop. If you're using Instagram on your PC or your laptop and you want to schedule a post, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your browser and here you can see that in Instagram we haven't any feature to schedule our post. So if you want to do this, the very first thing you have to make sure that you have a professional account. It might be creator or Discover account. So once you have created a professional account, you just have to go to this website. So you just have to simply go to this new bar and here just search for businessfacebook.com. Just search for this. And from here, just open the first website from Meta Business Suite. Open this website here and then click on try out. And once you're here, you might see this type interface. So you just have to click on login with Instagram. And here just wait for it until it's locked you using your Instagram account. And once you have done, you must see your Instagram account here and some other information. So you just have to click on create post. So now here you have to make sure that you have selected each same Instagram account, and here you have to add a photo or a video to your post. So let's say I'm gonna add this one here. Once you have added, you can also add a text. So let's say I'm going to add text over here. And then here's the option of scheduling options. Just click on this, set date and time. And here you just have to set the date and the time or where you want, when you want to hear this post. And once you have done, just click on schedule. So it will take some time to schedule your post. You can see that you scheduled a post through Meta Business Suite. So now just click on done and your post is now scheduled. Once you have scheduled the post, your post will be shared where you have scheduled. So in this way, you can easily schedule an Instagram post from your PC or from your laptop. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.